All right. Good morning, beautiful and handsome children of ELA, NENL. Welcome back. We're continuing our lessons on poetry, sound devices, rhyme scheme, and repetition. So, yesterday we were looking at the song Diamonds, Rihanna, and we went over the vocabulary. Okay, so we went over a specific vocabulary for songs. Okay, like lyrics, the words in a song. I'm just going to review these really quick because we went over it yesterday and you took a quiz on it. Okay, these are all the lyrics, all the words in a song. Then we went over the vocabulary word stanza, which are the groups of lines. So here we have every four lines, and then you see the space. These group of lines is called a stanza. In an essay, we would call it a paragraph, but in poetry, we call it stanzas. Okay. Then this poem has one, two, three, four, five stanzas. All right. We went over sound devices. This is what poets and singers use, the way they use sound to show meaning or maybe an important idea or feeling in their songs or poems. Okay. It's a tool. A device is basically a tool. The first type of sound device is called rhyme scheme. Okay. So if you pay attention to the last word in each line, a lot of times songs and poems, they have a rhyme. And if the first two lines, the two words rhyme, then and the second two lines rhyme, then it's called the AABB rhyme scheme. Okay. And Rihanna's song Diamonds is an AABB rhyme scheme. We're going to take a closer look at that in a second. Okay. But rhyme scheme is basically the patterns of rhyme in a poem. Okay. And finally, the second sound device that poets and singers use is called repetition. So a lot of times you'll notice that certain artists and poets, they repeat the same phrases, okay? And that is because they want to show you that it's important or that it has meaning in their song. So let's take a look at Rihanna's song again, okay? As I'm reading it, I want you to pay attention to the focus question, okay? The focus question is, what is the rhyme scheme of diamonds? All right, we're going to answer this question at the end here. All right. So um, let's look at the first part here. The first two lines in the song, shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond. Oh, this is Rihanna is using repetition. Okay. She wants us to know that this is important. Shine bright like a diamond. Okay. So I'm going to make an inference that she's talking about herself and maybe her romantic partner or her boyfriend as well. And she's saying that both of them, they shine bright like diamonds. And maybe they're both, she's trying to say that together they're beautiful and they shine bright together. Okay. All right. Let's go to the second stanza here. Let's pay attention to the word at the end of the line. Okay. And see how it rhymes. Find light in the beautiful sea. I choose to be happy. See and happy. Oh, these lines rhyme. Okay. So I know, right, that this line I'm going to label A, first line. Second line, I'm going to label A as well because C and happy, they rhyme. That ending of happy, P, C, they rhyme. Okay. Let's go to the next two lines. All right. You and I, we're like diamonds in the sky. I and sky. Oh, those words rhyme. So, but I notice I doesn't rhyme with happy. So I have to change the letter now. You see, happy and I are different. So I'm going to go B. I is happy. And I and sky, but I and sky rhyme. So I'm going to go B again. Okay. If the words rhyme, I give them the same letter. If they don't rhyme, I go on to the next letter. That's how that works, rhyme scheme. Okay. Let's go to the third stanza here. All right. Again, focusing on the last word. I've underlined it and bolded it. You're a shooting star, I see. Oh, she's calling her romantic partner a shooting star. Oh, a shooting star is like something you don't see often, but when you see it, it makes you feel like really hopeful and happy. So maybe she's saying that this person makes her feel happy and she's really hopeful about being with that person. Okay. You're a shooting star, I see. A vision of ecstasy. Ecstasy is like a extreme happiness. It's like you're when you're so happy. Okay. So when she sees this person who's like a shooting star, she gets so happy. She's extremely happy. Okay, that was very romantic, right? So C and ecstasy, C, ecstasy, they rhyme. Okay, so that's a C C, but they don't, you see, C doesn't rhyme with sky. So I changed the letter to C. All right, let's go on to the last two lines in the third stanza. When you hold me, I'm alive. We we are like diamonds in the sky. Okay, so she says when they're together, right, that they're like diamonds in the sky. Maybe diamonds are very precious and expensive and rare, so maybe she feels like this is like a relationship that's really unique and that is very special to her. Because if I had a diamond, I might think, oh my god, it's so special, I don't want to, I don't want to lose it, right? It's very precious, it's very valuable, right? But paying attention to the last two words in the lines, alive, sky, live, sky, they rhyme. Okay, so it's a D D there. Okay, so you can see the pattern. The first two lines in a stanza and the second two lines in a stanza rhyme for this song. Okay, so this is called diamonds. My answer would be diamonds is an AABB rhyme scheme because the first two lines end with the same sound C and happy in stanza one. Then the next two lines end with the same sound I and sky. Okay, so that would be how I would answer that question. Pay close attention to this because now I'm going to give you another song and you're going to have to identify the rhyme scheme in this song. Okay, so let's move on to it's one of my favorite songs ever. Okay. It's called Dear Mama by Tupac. Okay. Tupac Shakur is a very famous rapper in the 1990s. When Mrs. Tanaka was growing up in Los Angeles, he was a hero for a lot of people. And he is a very intelligent person and a very kind of emotional and sentimental person and a very, just very creative artist. But we're going to listen to one of my favorite songs called Dear Mama. All right. It's a song about his mom. Let's read the instructions here. You're going to read and listen to Dear Mama. Okay. And I want you to think. The focus question is what is the rhyme scheme of the song? And what words or phrases are repeated? How does this show the theme or message of the song? So focus on the words that are repeated, the phrases that are repeated, and what does this show about what you think the theme is? Okay, or maybe the message. All right. So I'm gonna play the song here. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna move back just a little bit. Okay, here we go. Oops. Okay. So the song goes on here. I gotta put this song in here. Let's go here. Sorry. All right, here we go. Here we go. Okay. All right, so that's the song there, one of my favorite songs. I'm gonna leave this YouTube video on the slide so you can listen to the whole song. That was just the last couple stanzas, okay? But what words are repeated? Look at the bolded words, okay? What words are repeated here in stanza one? Look at this. Look at the phrases that I bolded, okay? Stanza one and stanza five are the chorus. So pay attention to the words that are bolded there. Okay. What does he repeat? How does he feel about his mom? What is this song? What is he trying to do in this song for his mom? Okay. Then when you look at stanza two and stanza three, look at from you can skip line one, but look at line two and line three here. Because through the drama, I can always depend on my mama. All right, you got to ask yourself, does drama and mama rhyme? And when it seems that I'm hopeless, you say the words that can get me back in focus. Hopeless, focus. They're spelled very differently, but listen to the way they sound. Hopeless, focus. Okay, when I was sick as a little kid, to keep me happy, there's no limit to the things you did. Kid, did. And all my childhood memories are full of all the sweet things you did for me. Okay, you can see it right there. All right, memories, me, memories, me. Okay, so pay attention to the sound, the ending sounds. All right, and I want you to tell me what is the rhyme scheme. All right, dear mama. Okay, that's question two. You're going to answer question two and question three. What words or phrases are repeated, and how does this show the theme or message of the song? So what do you think the theme of this song is? What is the life lesson? Or what is the message that Tupac is trying to give us in this song? Okay, I'll post the questions on Google Classroom. You can answer them there. Of course, I want you to use RACE. Okay, I want you to use RACE to answer the questions. And I look forward to it, okay? I hope you learned a lot about rhyme scheme and repetition and how singers and rappers and poets use them in their poem to show you, what they're trying to say, their message of their songs. Okay, thanks. Bye, guys.